Welcome grade 8 students. Today we'll talk about Euclidean's theorem. Okay, at first let's remember the projection. Okay, if I have this triangle ABC is right angle triangle at B. Okay, and AD is perpendicular from the right vertex to the hypotenuse. Okay, the projection of AB. What is the projection of AB? The projection of AB is BD. Okay. Now, to calculate AB or find the length of AB, I will use this rule. AB power 2 equals its projection, BD, AB power 2 equals its projection times the hypotenuse. Again, AB square equals BD times BC. Its projection times the length of hypotenuse. Okay, now let's find AC. To find AC, I will say AC square equals its projection CD times the hypotenuse CB. Again, AC square equals its projection times the hypotenuse. Okay, now to find the altitude or the height of triangle AD square. AD square equals what? Equals 2 parts of the hypotenuse. So AD square equals PD times DC. Again, AD square equals BD times DC. Last rule, by using the area of triangle, AD equals the length, the product of two sides or right sides over the hypotenuse. So again, to find AB, I will say AB square equals BD times BC. Okay. To find AC, its projection, BC, AC square equals CD times CB. To find AD square, the perpendicular, I will say AD square equals BD times DC. The last rule, AD equals AB times AC over BD. Okay? Now let's solve this exercise. In the opposite figure, ABC is right angle triangle at B. Measure of angle ABC equal 90. AB equals 4. AC equals 5. Find. At first, find the length of BC. Where is BC? This is BC. Okay. Can you find the length of BC? Yes, by using Pythagoras theorem. So BC equals BC square equals what? Equals the hypotenuse square, 5 square, minus 4 square equals 9. So BC equals the square root of 9 equals 3 centimeter. Okay. Now find AD. AD is this part. Okay. We take the rule to find AB. I will say AB square time equals its projection AD times the hypotenuse times AC. Okay, substitute with numbers. AB square equals 4 square equals 16 equals AD times AC equals what? Equals 5. So AD equals 16 over 5 will equal 3.2. Okay, now find BD. BD, I have two ways to find BD. The first one, or the first rule, BD square equals AD times CD. Now I have AD, it's 3.2 times CD equals what? CD equals 5 minus 3.2 equals 1.8. Okay? So AD equals 2.4. The second way, I will say BD equals the two lenses of right angle, the two sides of right angle, AB equals 4 times BC equals 3 over the hypotenuse 5 equals will be 2.4. Okay? Now find the area of triangle DBC. DBC. This triangle. Okay? To find the area of any triangle, I must have two things, the base and the height. So where is the base? The base is DC and the height is BD. Okay, we have BD and we have DC. So area of triangle of triangle DBC equals what? Equals half times base times height. So half times the base DC. DC equals what? We say DC equals 5 minus 3.2 equals 1.8 times the height. The height is BD. BD equals 2.4. So it will be 2.16. Okay? Now, in the opposite figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral where measure of angle BCD equals measure of angle BAD equals 90. So I have triangle BCD is right angle at C and the triangle ABD is right at A. Okay. AE is perpendicular to BD. Okay. BC equals 7 centimeter, CD equals 24 and AB equals 15. Find the first thing, find the length of BD. Where is BD? BD is the hypotenuse in the lower triangle. Okay? To find the hypotenuse, I will use Pythagoras theorem. Okay? The hypotenuse square equals 24 square plus 7 square equals 625. Find the square root of 625 will equal 25. Now I find BD equals 25. Okay. Now find the length of AD. Okay. We will work in the upper triangle. Okay. AD. So using Pythagoras theorem, 25 square minus 15 square equals 400. So square root of 400 is 20. So AD equals 20 centimeter. Okay. P, find the length of projection of AB on BD. Where is AB? AB is this side. The projection of AB on BD. Okay, the projection of A is E and projection of B is itself. So the projection of AB is BE. Okay. To find this part of hypotenuse, what will I use? I will use Euclidean theorem. Okay, how? At first, I can find it by two ways. First one, I will find the length of AE. So the length of AE equals 15 times 20 divided by 25. So AE equals 12 centimeter. Okay, it's 12. Now, using Pythagoras theorem in this triangle, you will deduce that BE equals 15 square minus 12 square equals 81. The square root of 81 equals 9. Okay, this is first way. The second way, I said AB square equals its projection BE times the hypotenuse BD. So equals BE times 25 equals 15 square. Now you can find BE. BE equals 15 square divided by 25 will be 9. Okay. Find the length of projection of AD on AE. The projection of AD on AE. Okay. The projection of AD on BD, BD. Okay. The projection of A is E. So the projection of AD is ED. Okay. Now I will find the length of ED. ED equals 25 minus 9. Or using Pythagoras theorem in this triangle. Equals what? Equals 20 square minus 12 square will be 256. Then ED equals the square root of 256 equals 16 centimeter. Now take your assignment and try to solve it alone, and goodbye.